Today, I'll show you how to generate reports in Jira. Jira reports help you understand project progress, team workload, issue status, sprint performance, and overall delivery trends. They are useful for project managers, Scrum teams, support teams, and anyone who needs a clear view of work inside Jira. First, open Jira and log into your account. Now go to the project where you want to generate a report. From the project menu, look for Reports. Click Reports to open the report library. The reports you see may depend on your project type. For example, Scrum projects may show reports like Burndown chart, sprint report, velocity chart, and cumulative flow diagram. Kanban projects may show reports like control chart or cumulative flow diagram. Now choose the report you want to view. For example, if you want to see sprint progress, select Sprint Report. If you want to check how much work remains in a sprint, choose Burndown chart. If you want to understand how much work your team completes over time, choose Velocity Chart. After opening a report, use the available filters or dropdowns. You may be able to choose the sprint, board, date range, version, epic, or status category. Review the chart, table, or summary shown on the screen. Jira reports usually update automatically based on the issues, statuses, and dates in your project. If a report looks incorrect, check whether your tickets have the right status, sprint, estimates, assignees, and dates. You can also export issue data from Jira and create a custom report in Excel or Google Sheets if you need a more detailed format. And that's it. You now know how to generate reports in Jira. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.